Okay, so we're still working on the old Black Beast project here. Frost plugs were shot, so replaced the one frost plug on the other side. Spent all day yesterday removing this motor mount to get the frost plug underneath that. Put that all back together, ran her last night, and we still got a leak. So I figure, okay, it's underneath the starter. It's got to be the starter frost plug. So we got another one. So then I get underneath here and I remove the starter, which is there. And find out it's not the frost plug. Frost plug's fine. What's this? It is a cracked block. So, where are we here? There it is. So as you can see, I started knurling it out. So we're gonna grind this crack all down, open it up a little bit, and we're gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna pull this frost plug out anyway so I can get this water to stop coming out. And then we're gonna JB weld it. Hey Sadie, what's going on? Yeah. All right, I punched that frost plug in. And then we're gonna fix that crack right there. And I got it all carved out. And we're gonna wait for the coolant to come out. Or I punched it all the way out, because I don't want to get all soaked. But I had to get that frost plug out because the water just right there just kept on, out of this crack, just kept on leaking down here. So I can't seal it up if there's coolant in there. So punch out the frost plug, put a new one in. Got one anyway. All right, back to getting the motor mount out. That's the motor mount. Bracket for it. Got the motor mount out, but I think it has seen some better days. So we get a new motor mount. It's all shot. Bolt's been sitting there hammering around on the side of it. I wonder why when it was running, I heard a little clunk, clunk, clunk. Thought it might have been bottom end knocked, but thank God it wasn't. So anyway, motor mount out. There's our frost plug that we were missing. All right, right there. You know, some stuff down here. Put a new frost plug in, and there we have it. Frost plug's in. Right there. New frost plug. Now to go buy another motor mount. We get this project running. All right. A nice brand new motor mount here. Old AJ's. I guess that's what that is. AJ? I don't know. Anyway. Old one out. Okay, let's go put it in.